So as I'm sitting here uploading this video, the first one just about finding a silver dime this morning. I stopped at home lunchtime, figured I'd upload this quick 1-minute video, it'd be nothing to render. I get a package I need to sign for, and since this video going out right now, released here hopefully in a little bit, you'll already have watched it, is about money. What's a roofer do with his money? I'm excited to see this one. We're gonna open it up for the first time. I don't have my little GoPro mask holder here, so we're gonna just set this down here. We're gonna open this up on camera. Just came 20 seconds ago. Back, Trixie. Back. Got to tape this stuff up good with this fiberglass reinforced tape here. 9-pine mint. I've been excited to see this. We will just leave the papers out of sight here. So this is another thing that this roofer does with his money. 2021 has been a different year for many as most when it comes to inflation. This is a hedge. Some of you might know what this is, some of you may not. It's a mint. There was something recently called the silver squeeze or the silver short squeeze a few months ago. I read it on Wall Street Bets. I've already been into silver mines and stuff on Webull in the past, made some decent money at it. Lost a lot of money because one went bankrupt because the supplier couldn't pay this guy, whatever. Anyway, there's some good money to be out there to be made if you study about it. So I put some money in a silver mine. The silver squeeze happened, tripled in price, sold it later that day, tripled my money. Silver squeeze 2.0 happened. Didn't have quite the movement as it did back then, but I did obtain some actual silver. The silver squeeze 2.0, they were trying to get 100,000 people to buy at least 100 ounces. This is just one of the boxes. Kind of a cool one because it's broke down into 5 pieces of actual silver. I'm going to set the camera down right here for a quick second. We're going to open this up real fast. I've never had one this shape. Just little 10-ounce ingots. Pretty cool. I've actually got larger positions other than 10-ounce bars. We're not going to go into all that. But the point of the video is to just bring just a little bit of awareness to inflation. Let me ask you, I was thinking about this the other day, and I told a couple people. About a year ago, 13, 14 months ago, maybe a little more than a year ago, buying OSB for the roofing company. We'd pay $7, $8, depending upon the time of year, per sheet of 7/16 OSB. The price right now here in Kokomo, as of yesterday, at Menards, $52 a sheet. So, I ask you this. Would you rather have, last year, held a $10 bill in your hand, a 2x4, a sheet of OSB, or a gallon of gas? Yeah, that $20 or that $10 bill is always going to be $10, but its buying power is losing power. Its ability to buy services and goods is going down. In other terms, like the housing market is going up. Is it really going up, or is your dollar losing its purchasing value? Think a little different about money. This is just to bring awareness. I'm no financial advisor. Let me throw that out there. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on the internet. Take it for what it's worth. You lose money, it's not because of me. You make money, not because of me. It's because of you. Anyway, I hope that brings a little bit of light to it. The upcoming video, I'm going to try to upload this too right now while I'm here with my dogs getting them out. The other one just uploaded. Actually, it's rendering it still. Yeah, anyways, it's kind of cool. I like actually taking silver. So silver goes up in value. It has actual need. It's the second most used commodity aside of oil. Electronics, solar, all kinds of things this goes into. Electronics, computers, things like that. So kind of cool. And right now, over the past year, silver has been undervalued to gold. I think it was at the time like almost 75 to 90 to 1. So, good time to invest over the past year. It's come up a lot. I was buying during the pandemic, I think $11 an ounce. Spot price right now, last I looked, $27.50 in that ballpark. But possession, if you don't hold it, you don't own it, was as high as $34 the other day. So, anyway. inflation, read some history books. I'm going through this book called When Money Dies, and it's about the German Weimar, the rampant inflation back then, and it's pretty interesting. Everything they talk about in that book is playing out right now. Well, everybody thinks they're getting this free money. Oh, yeah, it sounds good and all, but that is an increase in currency chasing the same goods and services. It's not good. It's not good. It's not sustainable. Anyway, until next time, be safe, and we'll see you then. Don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know what topics you like. Let me know what you do with your money, and we'll see you on the next one. You thought that was the end of the video. I can't hint about a slightly bigger bar and not show you. I've got to show you at least one of them. AppMex. Plug to you guys. I've bought from this exchange a handful of times, and yeah, investments you hold. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. This is one of my bigger bars. It is a 100-ounce bar of silver compared to my doggy's face. Isn't she cute? Pippi, say hi. Pippi's debut. Trixie. Now, I wish you could feel that. It's quite a bit of silver there. It's a smaller one. My next one's gonna be a 1,000-ounce bar. Actually, they pour these plus or minus 10%. You would think with today's technology you can get it close to 100 ounces. It's actually 109.8 ounces or something. It's pretty good. So my question is, do you get to sell it at 100 ounces or 110 ounces or 109.9, whatever? Do you sell it for what it actually weighs or what it's labeled as? Anyway, come on, inflation. I'm preparing for you. Until next time, be safe and we'll see you then.